going to do a very exciting unboxing, which is the Hobonichi 2021. And I've got two packages right here. The reason why I have two packages is because I was contemplating on one, and then I let it through to order and to place payment for, and then I bought the other one because I'm thinking, oh okay, I think I need this one too. I'm going to open up the first box. It appears to be a very small box compared to the other unboxings that I've seen so far. Much smaller than I would have anticipated it. So anyway, I'm going to open this up and we'll see what's inside. So now we have two boxes that has already been unboxed. The FedEx people really did a number on this one. Not so much on this one. I'm not quite sure whether it's the FedEx or the customs. Before we proceed any further, I would like to say for those Malaysian planner girls that would like to place an order on Hobonichi website, please make sure that your order for each goes under 400 ringgit, because mine went a little bit over 400 for one of it, and I was taxed for it. So I'm not that happy about that, or tax or custom. There's custom fees to it. I had to pay 172 ringgit and 25 cents to Malaysian custom, which is not something that I would like to do when I purchase anything. Just a fair warning to the Malaysian planner girls: make sure that your orders come in under 400 ringgit so that you don't get a custom fee attached to your purchases. Now let's move on to the unboxing after the public service announcement. My first one is the damaged one, but it's okay. I'm not going to keep this box anyway. This says, you write, you draw. As you move your hand, the lines start running. With the running lines, our minds sprint. Handwriting means letting your mind take off. Safety matches. Fireplace chat. So I'm not quite sure what that means. I am not very poetic, so oh my god. Okay, I see something that I really wanted, but we start off with the cover on cover. This is the clear one. This one is the one that you can actually access the back pocket of the fabric cover. I don't know what it's called, but the A6 cover itself. This would come in handy because if you have fabric cover, or you know, you're that type who's a little bit OCD, who doesn't want their planners to be dirty, so I would suggest to buy the cover on cover. So that's one. And oh my god, okay, yes, I bought the Liberty fabrics. Oh, how exciting. It's a little bit smaller than I would have imagined it, but still. The reason why I bought an A6 instead of an A5 is the probability of me bringing the A6 to the office is more than the A5, because the A5 is going to hurt my back. I don't like to carry too many things, although my backpack is really full to the brim at the moment. Or I'm going to see how the cover actually feels. Okay, it is a fabric cover, yes. It feels like a fabric. And it's quite pretty. Oh my god. See how dirty the box is? Ugh, okay, never mind. It is a very pretty cover indeed. It has two pen loopholes right here. To keep the planner closed, you just use one pen to put through both of these loops. And then it has several pockets, so it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we've got one deep one right here, another one right here, and then we have this really pretty green color. Oh, I wish it wasn't a ribbon type bookmark, because I don't know, it feels like I paid more for a much sturdier type of bookmark. There's another pocket here, another pocket here, and another one here, which also has, I think, Hobonichi. I think it says Hobonichi Techo inside here. I don't know. But anyway, the green is so pretty. I fell in love with the green actually. The cover didn't really strike me at first, but when I saw that it was paired with a really nice forest green, I immediately wanted it. It's really pretty. And this is the back cover that I was referring to. It's quite deep too, so you can actually put some stuff in here. I'm going to go to the basic ones first. I got the Hobonichi Techo. This is the original in A6 with, I believe, no. I believe it's Monday start. Yeah, Monday start. They have this life book on how to use the Techo itself. I'm going to use this one a lot because I get uncreative after a while. I stop, the creative juices to stop flowing, and I tend to get off the tangent and then, you know, not pick it up again. So I'm going to give this a try. I'm going to see which one suits me the most, and hopefully I'll stick to it. So this is the so cute, so chocolate. It's about the size of my great. It's about the size of my palm, and wow, it does lay flat. I thought it was just a hoax, but it does lay flat. It does have the time of the day. The reason why I wanted this one instead of the English version is because I really wanted to use the hours that they have right here. I can actually time block the task that I'm doing on that day itself. So this would be a great addition. And then right here I can do some journaling. I prefer the Japanese one more. I think they were saying that yeah, it is colorful, like me, because different months has actually different colors. How interesting. I think this is a public holiday. I'm not sure. Maybe. Okay, so that's the Techo. I bought the stencils. This is the basic one, I believe. This is really small, and I think that you can use this for multiple things on the Techo itself. So it has a ruler right here, and then it has several stencils on it. You can also use this one right here, which I don't know what it's that. Timeline circles. This is quite a useful stencil because I'll be using this part here a lot, because I'll do some blocking of the year itself or something. So this is going to be very helpful for me. And then we have the activity one. I wanted the friction stamps, but they don't ship it to Malaysia or internationally. It's for Japan only, so I have to get it from Shopee, and I want quite a few actually, but it appears that all of it are on here, so it'd be a waste if I were to purchase the stamps. This is the activity stencils, and they also have the face expression on it, and you can use the box or the ball in order to indicate the your expression of the day, whether you're sad, you're angry, or you're happy. And then what I plan to use this a lot for is the shopping one. That one is really cute. This is a very good stencil. The stencil, either you go put it right here, will stand up on its own, that. It's just going to fit very nicely in the A6 cover. I like this a lot. The last thing I have in this box is actually the pencil board for the A6. This is the Sesame Street one. The reason why I wanted to buy it is because of Oscar the Grouch. He's my favorite. Oh my god. I also like Grover. Grover is a little bit pathetic, but he's really cute. And then of course I do love Bert and Ernie. They are a force to be reckoned with. I don't really like Elmo. Not my favorite. I like Honker though. He's a really good character. I really like him. He's very lovable. And of course Cookie Monster. Who doesn't love Cookie Monster? He's the best. If I place this right here, okay. Well, you can barely see it. It sticks out a little bit right here. It's fine, and it does say today on the yellow tab right here. And at the back, there's nothing else there. So this is the one in Together, if I'm not mistaken, the pencil board in Together. They have different themes, but I love this one. I got the Fude pen. This is the brush pen. They also have a sample of the paper that I can use to practice my writing with. It's a small Hanshi paper. And this is the Fude pen from Pentel Sign Pen. That's freebie number 1. This is freebie number 2. It has a navy blue barrel. How cool! The prior years it was yellow, green, I can't remember, I think so. And then there was also a red one, I think it was last year. So I don't like those. I love the navy blue though. This is the one that has 3 colored ink in it. Interesting. Oh, okay. It's a little bit sharp, which is not my favorite, but it's great for smaller handwritings and really great for A6 size notebooks. So that's it. That's all for my first purchase. This is my next box. This is the purchase that I made after the Liberty Fabrics Lockwood cover, because I saw this one lady who actually bought this cover and I felt like I should get it. And you saw it already. Before that, this is also the clear cover on cover for A6. I bought another one because I bought another thing. Let me show you this one later. Let's go through the ones inside. Okay, so this one, I bought more stencils. I feel that I might use this one more than stickers or anything like that, because I really want to make the Hobonichi Techo more functional, and next year is going to be a really good year to be more coordinated or more focused or organized. So this one is the speech bubbles. Okay, speech bubbles. This one is the travel. This one is schedule. It has some repeated designs from what I can see on the activity stencil. We have another pencil board in A6. This is my notebook. Do I get anything else? I don't get a freebie! Oh. As I was editing just now, I realized that one of the footage was missing, which is when I was actually showing to you the my cover, the A6 cover. So this is it. This is the Sunny Days Sesame Street version, and it's really pretty. It's all yellow in color. It's really nice. It's a little bit darker than this from what you can see on the screen, but I really like it. It has this bookmarks right here, and then of course it has the Sesame Street sign right there, and then there's a few characters right here, as well as a few characters right here. So what are the characters here is Bert and Ernie, Bert and Ernie, Cookie Monster, Elmo, Big Bird, Little Bird, can't remember what's her name, and Oscar the Grouch. The one inside here, it has Elmo, Bert and Ernie, Little Bird, Big Bird, Little Bird. Oh my, I don't. Oh, there's another character. I'm not sure what it is. That's Cookie Monster. And then we have the rest here. I think this one is Grover. So I really like it. It's a really nice color, and there's a back pocket here too. Another thing that I bought was the notebook instead, which is the grid notebook. I didn't buy the another Techo because I have a lot of difficulty trying to keep up with one Techo or one planner. I don't intend to do another one or to have another one. Okay, so they have different colors on this particular notebook, and I really like it. It lays flat. See? It lays flat. And it's much thinner than the normal Techo. I guess this will be okay, and it does fit into the Sunny Days cover. So that's what I intended to use this cover for, which is the for the notebook, the graded notebook. And that's it. That's all for my Hobonichi 2021 unboxing. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, and I hope that this has been quite helpful for you in purchasing any Hobonichi products, as well as helping those Malaysian planner girls out when buying anything from the Hobonichi website. That's all for now. Take care, and I'll see you guys very soon.